Seems like we are back online. Yeah. So where did we leave in the previous video? Yeah, we left here. What we did here was we just copied this code and pasted it here. So what we'll be doing now is instead of just copy pasting, we'll look what changes were made so that we can try to understand each part bit by bit. So let me just open okay, no, not this. Yeah, 127 dot, what's the port? It's 3000. Yeah, good. So oh, mhm. Yeah, okay. This is just the SVG. Okay, this is like the React logo, and this is app.css. We don't need any of this right now, so let's remove it. And okay, this app. Okay, let's try something. Instead of let's is this working? Yeah. So instead of app, let's call this main, and instead of exporting the app, let's export main here. Does this work? Yeah. Okay, so looks like app is the entry point for the application, as in like the main function. So our code starts here, right? And what is use state and use effect? Let's just Google it. Okay, we can get back here later. Use state React. Let's just ask GPT. What's use state and use effect? Use state and use effect. Oh, hang on. Use state and use effect are hooks provided by React to manage state and side effects within functional components. This hooks up. Okay. Before hooks were introduced, states could be okay. Okay. And what is a state? What is a state in React? In React, a state refers to an internal data storage system within the component that allows the component to keep track of changing information. Okay. State represents the dynamic aspect of the component. Hang on. Where is my clock? Stopwatch. Yeah. It's been 3 minutes. Yeah. In React, a state refers to an internal data storage system within a component that allows the component to keep track of changing information. State represents the dynamic aspect of the component, values that change over time as a result of user actions. Okay. And okay, let's go back here. Why do I need state here? Let's have a look at this code. Where did he use the use state? He initialized. Okay. This till here seems like the function. Okay. This. Okay. Till here it's a function, I assume. Okay. Let's start googling. Functions in React. Geeks for geeks. This sure is a slower process than watching a 30-minute YouTube video, but you learn more than what you learn through a 30-minute YouTube video. You keep exploring, you run into random things, you run into random issues, and you learn more than you learn from a YouTube video. So that is the only reason I wanted to start it this way, and you not use YouTube. So yeah. How are functions written? Okay. Okay, seems like function needs this function keyword, so I don't think. Okay, this is a function. Then what is this? What is this? Uh, comma, what is use effect? Is it a function? Yeah. Use effect is a root hook that, okay, that allows you to perform side effect functions, calling component dead mount component updated. Oh, okay. Okay, so this is a hook, and this updates the state of. Oh, now it makes sense. Good, good. Okay, let's try to understand the hooks in React. Let's search. Okay. Yeah, this seems good. What is a hook? Hooks allows us to hook into React features such as state and life cycles. Okay. Use state thread. Okay. You can import hooks using React. Hook can only be called inside a React function. Hook can only be called at top level of a component. Hook cannot be conditional. Okay. Custom hooks. That's the next. Following function. Okay. State following code. JSON placeholder. Dang. They're using the same default JSON thing. So what is a hook here? Is use effect a hook? To fetch as well as custom hook. We have created use fetch. The hard-coded URL. Okay. Custom URL. Lastly, okay. Yeah, use fetch is a hook. Okay. Where is use fetch? What? Okay, this is a hook. Then what the fuck? Oh damn, man, this is confusing. This can get pretty tedious, but trust me, it's worth it. Use effect. Okay, ChatGPT told me it was a hook, right? Use effect is a React hook. Okay. I don't have the code here. Let's just. Where is it? Yeah. Copy. Okay. Constant async. Okay, he initialized two variables with the state null, and he used a hook. uh, Constant fetch data. Fetch data is something like a function inside a function. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, it's trying to okay, it's trying to fetch something from the world. Okay, slash posts. Yeah, this updated. Cool. If response is a okay, set JSON data equal to data. Okay, it's this variable. Okay, good. Else console load error, fail to fetch data. Okay, catch error. If there is an error, it displays the error. Okay, I guess I need a proper walkthrough documentation or something to properly understand which of the following is the function, which of the following is a hook, and stuff like that. I guess I'll be reading the Geeks for Geeks articles or the W3 School articles. What is use state? It is for okay states. Okay, he imported use effect, but did he use effect? Okay, he used use effect. Okay, allows you to perform side effects in your component. Some examples of side effects are fetching data, directly updating the DOM, and timers. Okay, use effect accepts two arguments. One is the name of the function and other is a dependency. Okay, did he pass anything here? No. Hey, wait, hang on. Okay. Oh, he passed both of them. The dependency is a null list, and this seems like the function. Okay. It's kind of getting together and kind of making sense, but like not entirely. But it sure will slowly. Is this like a lambda function? Great. Good. This is a lambda function. Oh, so for people who are not sure what a lambda function is it's a function without a name. It's just a function which is made and doesn't have a name for itself, but yeah, it's usually used for one-time use. Oh, it's still generating stuff. Okay, why are lambda functions usually used? I don't know, I suck at explaining. Lambda functions are commonly used. Concise syntax, have a more compact syntax. Okay, would easier to read, especially for short. Okay, oh yeah, that makes sense, but I don't think I can call this, can I? Can I call a lambda function like other functions? Okay. Is this okay? That's lambda function. Is that a variable? Okay. Call. Oh. Do lambda functions have names? I didn't know that. Can be anonymous, yeah. It is anonymous. Okay, then what is greet? Name lambda functions. Okay. I mean, both of them look literally the same. It doesn't have a name. It is assigned directly to a variable. Oh, okay, then this is a variable. Okay. Name lambda functions, name lambda functions. Specific name. Where is the name, man? Okay. It's usually an anonymous function. As far as I know, that is how it works in Python, but yeah. Okay, this is a function then. Fetch data is a function till here and is calling that function. Okay. We understood this part. Now we also understood this part. And it doesn't have any dependency. So yeah, all of this makes sense. But what is use effect? We have to, okay, oh, done. Accepts a function that contains oh, we came across this use effect. Use effect hooks allows you to perform, oh yeah, we understood what is use effect already. Great, good. I don't think we need app.cs right now, so I'll just delete it. What's app test.js? Are we using it? I don't think so. No, I don't think so. I don't think it's gonna affect it. Don't save. And did it make any difference? No. Okay, good. Index.js. Okay, it calls the app. I guess we need this. Logo.svg. Nah. Report web vitals. Oh. Okay. Module not found. Can't resolve report web vitals. Where was it used? In SRC. Wait, what? Where was it used, man? Okay, I'll just comment this and then delete this. Does it work? Okay, he used it again. Okay. I'll just comment this out and yeah. Let's try to keep it as minimal as possible and remove all the unnecessary stuff. Start measuring performance of your app. Pass a function. Okay. The performance comes later. We haven't reached there yet. So this can be yeeted. Index.css. Nah, man. We don't need CSS now. React DOM client. I think. Oh yeah, this is something we'll be using. Okay, at least we understood all of this. And we understood what is use state, we understood what is use effect, we understood this part entirely, and it's just returning it. And json.stringify, it converts the string to JSON. We have the JSON data here, or does it work the other way around? Because it sounds like it's converting JSON to string or string to JSON. .stringify is a method to convert JavaScript object or a value of a JSON to a JSON string. Okay, it's converting it to a JSON string. Okay, cool. Yeah, that seems to make sense. So yeah, we understood how this works. What's on our list? Next part. Store this information in a useful format. Okay. What we are gonna do is just copy till here because it's just the same thing over and over again. I'll even copy this code, paste it. Here is my code and output. Can you create a model for it? I think it knows what JSON placeholder outputs, but let's test it because why not? And this means data model app state side effect again. What? Where is the model, man? I think we needed the output. No. Oh shit, not that. Paste this and yeah. Please don't explain me my code. Let's create a model from fetch data model from. Oh man, come on. Model as in a model from the MVVM architecture. I already explained you what MVVM architecture is, right? So let's see if this works that way or if there is a different. Oh yeah, good. Oh man. Oh, it modified my code. Okay, cool. So let's create a new file called post.js and let's paste this here. Is that it? Constructor user ID. Okay, I don't need you, man. You can go. Yeah. Is there a formatting option? We'll look into it later. Cool. Yeah, good. I think this thing entirely is self-explanatory, but let's, for our knowledge, let's look at what is a constructor in React.js. It's a method that is called automatically when called automatically when we create the object in that class. It is used to manage initialization such as default certain object properties and sanity testing. The arguments passed in. Okay, simply placed. The constructor is a method that helps in creating. Okay, good. That makes sense. Okay, so if I be like post of user ID can be 1 and then ID can be 2 something and title can be hi and this can be hello guys. That sounds weird. Okay. Hey mate. Yeah, so I'm assuming this is how you initialize a post. Good. So now I have to go into app. I have to import it. How do I import it? import post from /model/post. Okay, so for me it would be import post. Okay, from post. Does it make sense? If there is an error, I'll see it here, right? Oh yeah, that's not how it works. So is that like /post? Okay, yeah, it works. So that's how you create a model and import it. Now for my sanity, let's just create models here, put this in there, move, yes, cool. So this works. So what do I have to update here? Okay, instead of returning the JSON and set JSON, is doing it for posts, which makes sense because we would be wanting to use our model instead of the JSON data. So this is the JSON. Okay. .json next. He did this. What is this? Constant post data equal to data.map. Okay, he's mapping it. Post to new of post post.user id, post.id, post.body. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Set post to post data. Okay. What does this show? Okay, the return is an issue. Can I just return post data here? Let's remove this. It's called post. Okay. Let's try and see what happens. Yeah. Okay, good. At least it's a different error. Oh, okay, this is for displaying posts. Okay, this is a, it's called something. UL stands for untitled list or something. What's UL in HTML? Kind of. Unordered, yeah. Oh, is it? Unordered list. Good, great. So here we'll start with an unordered list. And come down here, and what did he do? I'll just paste this, then try to understand what is what. Okay, good. Here is the post title and here is the post content. Good. It's always better to understand what is being done here, so that whenever you want to make something similar and not exactly the same, you can do it because you understand what is what. Post, okay, he's mapping it. Okay, so it's a list. Okay, let's come here. Okay, it's a list. It's ordered list. The key is post ID and post title and post body. He's just mapping it. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I understand. It's like how he mapped over here data.map. It's something similar. Good. Yeah, so we made some progress. So where are we here in this? We stored it in a usable format. Now I have to set up Tailwind. I better Google it over ChatGPT because it usually gives better results for such cases. How to set up Tailwind plus React. Yeah, I guess I should be restricting my videos to like 30 minutes. So I'll stop the video here and let's continue in the next video.